go. So this is kind of the last part of this video. So obviously I'm not showing certain things because I want you guys to kind of figure that out on your own. But if you are to this point and you are able to put in some names, so we're gonna go Star Trek to show off more nerdiness. So we'll see how good friends Captain Picard and Worf are. So Picard and Worf have received a score of 18. You are not good friends. Okay, so it works. Now the thing is that you can keep pressing the button, but you'd have to go in here and delete the names, and there's not like really like a reset. You even delete the names, get rid of them. So and then blank and blank have received scores of 13. We're not good friends. So we want to kind of dress this up now. Obviously, I left this very blank. You can add whatever backgrounds or whatever you really want. But now we kind of want to be able to like first set everything when the app starts to not have label. And then here we go. We're gonna make a new function. So we're gonna go out func. We're gonna call this kind of board reset. We're not gonna take any kind of thing. So if you are looking for a challenge, what we're gonna do is we are gonna set each label to be kind of a standard either message or nothing at all when the app starts, and then maybe when you press another button. And then we want to also clear out the text fields so that there's nothing inside them when board reset is run. Okay, so at this point, if you're looking for a challenge, move ahead and just kind of fast forward through this part and get to after we set that up to make sure that if you want to check your work and see if you did it right. Looking at properties, so let's just kind of memorize what the names are. So we have emoji label, message label, text field 1, text field 2. So we're going to set everything right here. So text field 1 dot text is going to equal nothing. Okay. Text field 2 dot text is going to equal nothing. Message label dot text can equal whatever you want it to say. I am going to write please press calculate button when ready. Okay. And then finally, we need to set the emoji label. So, and you obviously, if your program is different, you set that to whatever you want it to be. Okay. But for the friendship calculator ones, we're just gonna kind of give it a blank face because there is nothing's happened yet. Okay. And always remember that we do what with the property. Okay, so in case you run into that issue, I don't know what I did wrong, dot text. Okay, and we are going to put board reset and run it in the view did load. And I don't know if I mentioned this, and I probably should have, but the view did load is what happens when the app starts fresh. It's been reset. Okay. And we probably want to set this to a button, not the calculate button, but to another button that you can add in here and just run board reset whenever the button's pressed, and then it'll kind of reset the program for the user. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but I think at this point you have enough tools to be able to handle that. So make sure that you continue to design it, make it look nice, make it look, customer forward. You want to be able to potentially be able to try to sell this kind of type of app. So you might want to make it look really good. So add whatever information, extras, if you want to go and do more to your original function. Add more if statements. Whatever you want to do to make this your project. Okay. So let's just run with what we have here with the board reset one more time and make sure that it looks right. And I think you guys are good to go. And look at that. So I think what I would do here, if you're having this issue and it's off to the left, go to the alignment for this text box and you can set it. Or if you want to really look into like justification and alignment, see if there is a way to align it using the code. Remember, just search up on the internet, what you want to do, the name, and then, make sure you also put in our coding language Swift, and then, most likely Stack Overflow. And then you can find out whatever you want to do. So everybody, thank you very much for listening to this. This is for the dog, me and the dog. And we received a score of 60. You are meh. Oh. My dog's sad right now. We're not getting good scores. There we go. Oh, I missed it. Wow, we're really not doing good, dog. It's okay, buddy. All right, guys. Have a good one, and take care.